This is 512, I believe. 512. It's a full bluebird vision. It's a 40-footer. 40-foot, 8-feet bus. No shorty wheelbase. I'm not a bluebird guy. I just don't find them appealing buses. I made a video why I don't like bluebirds. But I do them for you old bluebird lovers. And let's walk around the outside. Walk around the outside. Yeah. But yeah, here's the bus. Here's the, still got the little red striping on it. They could be a little faded, but I don't know how many miles it has on it because I don't know how to turn the flashers on in bluebirds. But anyway,